Number one, can you explain the core problem your research addresses and why it's significant? My research focuses on academic pressure among senior high school students. Its significance because too much pressure affects their mental health, motivation, and academic performance. Number two, what is the key limitation of your methodology and how did this limitation influence your findings? One limitation is the limited number of respondents, which may not represent all students. Number three, how did you ensure to the validity and reliability of your data collection methods? Validity and reliability. I ensure validity and reliability by using a standard questionnaire and conducting pilot testing before gathering data. Could you elaborate on the statistical analysis you employed and justify your choice of techniques? Statistical analysis. I use descriptive statistics to summarize. Number five. What are the most significant findings of your research and how do they contribute the existing body of knowledge? The study the study found that high academic pressure leads to stress and poor well-being. This adds to existing research by showing the need for better self-care among students. Number six, did your research uncover any unexpected result? How did you interpret this and what are the implications? Some students reported feeling motivated by pressure. This suggests that not all pressure is harmful. It depends on how students cope. Number seven, what are the practical implications of your findings and how may they be applied in real-world settings? Schools can use the findings to create stress management in program and promote balanced workloads for students. Number 8. What are potential limitations or challenges in applying your findings? Cha- Not all schools have resources or guidance counselor to support mental health programs. Number 9. What are the next steps in this line of research? What future studies would you recommend based on your findings? Future research could explore effective self-care routines or family influence on academic pressure. Number 10. How would you respond to criticism that mention a specific potential criticism relevant to the research? Responding to criticism. If someone says the study is simple, if someone says the study is simple, is too small, I'd agree but explain that it still provides valuable insight and can serve as a basis for longer studies in the future.